my Trebuchet project. For the base right here, I used a cinder block. I used a cinder block because it provides a nice sturdy base. Through the cinder block, I drilled 2 holes, and through the holes I put an axle. Then I put 2 supports on through the axle and secured them with nuts. Then I put 4 wheels onto the axle and secured those with nuts. I used wheels so that it is easier transported. Then, right here is the arm that pivots on this rod right here. Right here is the counterweight. I added a little extra so that it could have more momentum. Then, here at the top is strings that attach to the pouch that holds the ball. The pouch was the hardest thing to make because either the ball would release too early or too late. And then right here, I used a door latch as a trigger. To load the trigger, you have to bring the arm down right here, then just put the pouch right here, and then you take this wire and you put it on this latch, then you position the pouch, then you just put the ball in, and then you just